Hello all. Today let's look at some mocking techniques for jest and unit testing. Like while the unit test module or a function, how we could mock out dependencies that are used within the function. So for this, I'm going to take an example of one of my side projects, which is this OGraph previewer. So the specific function that we would be looking at is this copy functionality. Like when you click on it, it would copy this data, which is a JSON compatible object structure. So let's look at a simplified code. So I have something called this copy data. So this is the one that actually copies the string file, like the serialized data from our application state into the system's clipboard. So this just does that. It checks if the clipboard is available, and if it's there, it uses this interface, this method exposed through the interface called write text, and it just copies the stringified data into the clipboard. That's all it does. So now, if I have to write a unit test for this, I'm just writing a test suite with just. So I'm creating a suite, and I just have one test case here because it's quite a simple function to test. So what is important to note here is the dependency here. So this copy data method, which we are about to unit test, it internally uses the navigator clipboard's write text method. So now this clipboard is a dependency for us, and while unit testing, we are only interested in this copy data, and we have to isolate this copy data from the clipboard so that we don't have to test the clipboard as is, because that's out of the scope of this application itself, right? So also, it's not a good practice to have your dependencies tested in your unit test. Unit test just for this unit in our situation now. Yeah. So going by that philosophy, what I'm trying to do is I'm first mocking mock data. This is similar to what the application would have, a JSON compatible object, and then I'm also taking a copy of the navigator clipboard object, and then I'm using two hooks: the before each hook, which is a jest hook, and also after each hook. So there are two concepts in jest called the setup and tear down. Not just with any testing. We have this thing called setup and tear down. Setup is where you do some additional steps before the test is run, and tear down is after the test is run. You just undo all the things that you did in the setup. So that's the concept of setup and tear down. With just there are two levels of setup and tear down: before each and before all. We are just using before each because I just want that to run for every test case. And if I use before all, that would be run per suite, test suite, which is the describe. That's not something I want here. So yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm mocking the clipboard. Like what I need is the write text, so I'm making it as a jest.fn, which is jest function. So this creates a mock function, and why this is important is so that we can use these helpers like to be called times and to have been called in our assertion. It makes it easier to test the unit that we are concerned, which is our copy data. Yeah. So to make those possible, we mock this using just function, and this can accept mock implementation, but I'm not giving anything here because it's not required. So it would return undefined here, which is fine. And the second thing I do is mocking the clipboard data. That is, we have this mock clipboard created here, right, with just that function, which is going to replace the write text in the context of a test. So I'm just assigning that. And one more thing I'm doing is I have something called the data model, which is just the state for this application. We don't have to worry about what it does. All we have to know for understanding this is just a state model that has a getter called get data, and that in the application actually gives me the application state data, which holds the open graph bank information. But here I want to mock it, so I'm using this program method, and I'm using the mock return value helper to send the mock data, which is the one we saw. Why we do this is that so we can assert and test that the copy data method is actually passing the expected data into the clipboard. It's actually writing the expected data into the clipboard and not anything weird that we do not expect. So that's the reason. And to do that assertion, we have to know what is being fed into it. And we just mock the return value of the getter so that we know what will be fed into it, and we can compare that later, which we actually do here with the to have been called with. So that's pretty much it for the setup. And for the teardown, I just reset all mocks. So what this does is it just resets all the state of the mocked implementation. So mocked implementations will be spy on this FM and things like that. When we say state, it's like we are calling these things with to have been called with when and things like that, right? And to have been called times and to have been called with. These are maintained in the internal state of the mock. If we don't reset it, if I have a second test here, and if I assert it to be 1, it won't be 1 because the first test case after this is run, it would have called once, and if I do a second test case, then it would be the call would be made the second time, but we don't want that to happen. So that's why we reset the internal counters of the mock. So I just wanted to do reset all the mocks, including spy on FM and all that. So that's why we use this. And after the testing is run, during our teardown stage, after each test case is done, I'm also resetting the navigator's clipboard to the original clipboard. This is not required to even do this at the end of all the suits, but here it doesn't matter because I just have one test case in this specific test suite. So it's all fine. So now I'm just calling this method, which is the one I want to test. So I'm doing that, and because I have mocked everything earlier, I can use these helpers. So I'm just making sure that the getter is only getting the data once when doing this function, and then the clipboard is being returned, and the write text method is also being called once. That is the copy data method, only copies the data into the clipboard exactly one time. And then I'm also checking that the data that is being copied is what I expect, which is the mock data. So that is all is being done here in terms of the setup. So we can even reduce this into like these 4 steps. All the mocking and the removal of the one mock or resetting of that happens during the setup and the teardown phase. So in the before each, we have this function mock where we are mocking the write text method in the clipboard interface, and then we are assigning a mock clipboard to the actual navigator clipboard. And then in the teardown, we are just resetting all the mocks, and then we are reassigning the original keyboard back. So that's mostly about it. And this is how, this is one of the ways how we isolate the model so that the dependencies doesn't become a part of our test, and the dependencies doesn't affect our test because all the dependencies are now mocked out. We are mocking those things so that we only test the copy data and what goes within it, how does that behave, and not how the clipboard or the get data from our state behaves. Yeah. So that's all for today. I'll see you in another video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.